Wajadi kasem dem de esha semampeni abedeche Dr. Mamadu Bawumia wakasa na sede oman yahunye hia Ghana fo echese omo ekomu no wabeda na di ache wose de edikan wode soboni nyina ebo eye Russia na Ukraine tokwa de toso mienu ye COVID-19 yade eman musu eno eye wiase afa na nyina edea ekan yen na ye ba ye ne ankasa ye mam hanso de a sede bank anasa sikakrabia ahodo no yesisi eyi free oman no mo no eno so eka ho yie pa na de twato sede akatua bum bia omanfo bi ejejeje no sa ne ma nai we no no hu ne se ama oman Ghana yewura sa ho hia dendenden no mo.
Global supply chains were disrupted and shipping costs increased by over 1,000%. Economic growth slowed down. Higher revenue projections in the 2022 budget based on tax exemptions, property rates, and the e-levy did not materialize. The debt sustainability analysis continued to place Ghana at a high risk of debt distress. There was a credit ratings downgrade by the international credit ratings agencies. In fact, ladies and gentlemen, before COVID-19, Ghana was borrowing some $3 billion annually from the international capital market. But following COVID-19, the international capital markets have been largely inaccessible by emerging market countries like Ghana. Furthermore, as a result of increases in interest rates in the developed economies and increased perceived risk of emerging market economies, investors have pulled $50 billion from emerging market bond funds just in this year, in 2022. $50 billion have been pulled. Non-resident holders of bonds in Ghana were not also rolling over maturities. In a decline in foreign exchange reserves also resulted. With the challenges in accessing the international capital market, balance of payment support was needed to bridge this financing gap, stabilize the economy, and create the space to implement structural reforms and restore debt sustainability. And this is really the reason why Ghana had to go to the IMF. I should again note that Ghana has been hit with a quadruple whammy. A quadruple whammy. The energy sector excess capacity payments, banking sector cleanup, COVID-19, and the Russia-Ukraine war. We have been hit by this quadruple whammy. And I say again that if you take out the fiscal impact of this quadruple whammy, Ghana will not be going to the IMF for support because our fiscal and debt and balance of payments outlook would be sustainable. Of the four factors, COVID-19 and the Russia-Ukraine war were external, and the other two, the banking sector cleanup and the excess capacity payments, were the result of policies of the previous government. Today, all over the world, fuel prices are rising in virtually every country. Food prices are rising. Inflation is high. It's at a high for many years. Currencies are falling in value. Fiscal deficits are rising. Debt levels are increasing. This is happening globally. And this tells us that what we are dealing with is a global phenomenon.